What's going on, guys? Kenneth Speed Industry here, and today we're going to be installing a Circuit Edition wing on this GR Corolla. We've actually never done this install before, so we're going to go through it and show you guys how to do it.
First thing you'll do for the install is remove these trim pieces so you can install the support bracket. To install these, just peel off the 3M double-sided tape and simply put pressure on the bracket. When you unbox it, you'll notice the wing is mounted onto a solid piece of cardboard with wing nuts holding onto it.
So this is how the Circuit Edition wing looks on the car right now. But there is a little bit of a downside. This isn't really plug and play, like you just install it like a normal spoiler. It does require you to have to drill into the trunk a little bit. So if you guys plan on selling the car or parting it out, you can't really part it out because you will be drilling into the trunk. This being the Circuit Edition spoiler, can also get this template. This does come separately from the spoiler. So if you guys want it, I'll have a link in the description below as well as the spoiler. But here is the template itself. It'll show you exactly where to drill into the OEM spoiler so you guys will have perfect fitment. So to demonstrate, I'm going to be using our shop car to show you guys how to use the template. So I got my painter's tape and I have the template right here. We're just going to lay it down, and the instructions are really easy to follow. So because this is just for a demonstration, you're not going to be using all of the drill points for the spoiler. You're only going to be using the 3 drill points on the top here. The ones on the side is for a different spoiler. You're not going to be using the ones on the side here because the spoiler is going to be sitting right here and the drill point is here. So say if you were to drill into the spoiler and you install the Circuit Edition wing, that drill hole is going to be showing and it's not going to look really good, and you're going to have to get that fixed. So just as a disclaimer, so you guys don't mess up, you only use the 3 drill points on the top here.
We went ahead and put the template on top of the trunk. Next, you'll have to tape it onto the trunk to make sure it doesn't move. And this template is used so you know where exactly to drill into the trunk. If you're scared of drilling into the car, some people end up just using 3M double-sided tape to keep the wing secured. Keep in mind, it's still bolted up on the side of the wing, so it's not totally relying on the tape, but it's totally up to you. This customer wanted it to be hard mounted though. And of course, double, triple check your work before you start drilling. You don't want to mess this up. To drill into the trunk, you'll use a 9mm drill bit. We went with a slightly larger drill bit for adjustment later on. Next, have a friend hold the wing when you open the trunk. Now you can start using the supplied hardware to tighten up the wing to the GR Corolla. And just like that, guys, you are done with the install and you have a brand new Circuit Edition wing on your GR Corolla. If you want this wing for yourself, I'll have a link in the description below and you'll have the option to purchase the template with it as well. I hope this video was some help to you guys because I know a lot of people are scared of putting this wing onto the car because you have to drill. Just get the template and you guys will be just fine. And with that, guys, we'll see you guys in the next video.